What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. So as you can see by the title, today's video is going to be makeup essentials for beginners. Okay, so I'm just gonna basically give you guys some products that can complete a full face and you'll be set. Okay, so if you are new to this channel or what it is, hey yo, what's up, got your nigga in the cut now, what it is, what's poppin' with you? I'm happy to have you here, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey boy, hey girl, I missed you. So like I said, the video that I'm doing today is a makeup essentials for beginners. So every product that I list will help you to complete an entire full face of makeup so that you can be beat to the gods. Okay, do not play. Before we get into this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2021. Gang, gang, gang. Hit it for me, can't stop. Hey, I won't stop. Hey, I do. Hey, hit it done. Hey, hit it done. Hey, hit it one more time. Yes, make sure you do like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2021. And without further ado, we're just gonna get right into this video. Okay, these earrings are so big. So like I said, today's video is going to be makeup essentials for beginners. All right, these are all products that I even use to this day, and I've been doing my makeup for some years at this point. So they're good quality products, but they're inexpensive. So if you're a beginner, definitely do not go spending y'all money on makeup that y'all don't know what y'all doing with it. Okay, do not go waste your money. I promise you, there's so much, you know, drugstore products and so many, you know, inexpensive products that will do the same thing for you. I promise you. Do not go spend your money on no Fenty Beauty, no Huda Beauty. Who else we got? Just don't go spend your money on these people. Don't go to Sephora. Number one, don't even go there. But don't go spending your money you know, on this very expensive stuff and you don't know what you're doing. Okay, last thing you want to do is waste your money. You know, get your skill down, get some techniques down, and then go spend your money. Then you can do what you want, because that's kind of how, like, you know, that's where I'm at right now. I know what I'm doing, so if I want that Fenty Beauty, baby, come here. You feel me? That's how, if I want to go step in window shopping Sephora, because I'm not going to spend my money in Sephora. Do not play with me. All right, so let's get into it. So when we start with our face, y'all let me know which direction do y'all go when y'all do y'all face. I do what I do: eyebrows, eyes, and then face. And that's the way it's supposed to be done. If you're doing it any other way, you wrong. Okay, all right, so let's get into it. Eyebrows. When I first started doing my eyebrows, I was using this NYX eyebrow pencil. It's literally a pencil, and if you know how to use a pencil, then that's why I use this, because it was easy. You know, it's easy to maneuver. It glides on easily, so that was fine by me. You feel me? So yeah, I use the NYX eyebrow pencil. They do have pomade nowadays, but like I said, inexpensive. A brand that you need to rock with, especially if you're a beginner with makeup, I would definitely rock with NYX, because baby, everything is always on sale. Buy one get one half off. And I'm here for it. I'm fine with it. Okay, Ulta will become your best friend. Ulta will be your best friend. All right, so for eyebrows, we're definitely using our NYX. Yeah, a NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil. Okay, next, so after we do that, I would do my eyeshadow and stuff. So eyeshadow, definitely this Morphe 35B palette. So it also depends on, you know, what type of looks you want. But if you're more of a colorful type of person, creative, you know, flamboyant, this is the palette for you. Child, this one fell out. I don't know where she went. But this is the palette for you. Child. It got all the colors that you need. Once again, this palette is very inexpensive. And yeah, this is the palette that I started out with. So, and the colors are very pigmented. So, you know, that's what we want, pigmentation. All right, get into it. Next, after we gonna do our eyes, should I say lashes? Okay, let me tell you, I'm gonna put y'all on my lashes real quick. Okay, so I get my lashes from this place called Your Lord Lashes. It's an Instagram company. When I tell you they got to sell every day, I will never get my lashes from anybody else. I don't care, because lashes isn't one of them things I'm like really that serious about. Like, it's not that serious to me, because honestly to me they all low-key look the same. So I get my lashes from this place called yourlordlash.com. It's on Instagram, and the lashes be like $3. Yeah, I'm not joking, and they always got a sale on, so that's that. Like, originally the lash should be like $5, but then they'll have a sale, and then it'd be like $3, $2. And yeah, they have a whole bunch of different you know, shapes and sizes. I always get the same one because that's the one I like. It's the one in Amelia. So this is Amelia. She is very much, you know, she a little dramatic, but she not over the top. You feel me? So I'm rocking with her. So yeah, get Lord lashes, get your lashes from there, or don't, because more for me, but they cheap, so that's what I do. And like I said, lashes are all the same, so I don't, to me they all the same. I know they be kind of different, but they ain't that different to spend $15-20 on them. You can miss me with that. All right, next case. What we got next? Okay, so we get into our face. Face. All right. Okay, wait, so backtrack. We still on our eyes, because you still need something to, like, you know, blend out your eyeshadow with. So I use Morphe brushes. Those are some good beginner brushes. They have very, like, you know, small brushes, big brushes, whatever you need. And then this brush, I got this from BH Cosmetics. BH Cosmetics be having a sale on too, because I don't even think nobody shop with them. So that's that. But yeah, so Morphe brushes to get some really small precision type brushes. I love it here. Cheap brushes once again. All right, so I'm backtracking a little bit. Still with your eyebrows, I use like a cheap eyebrow glue. So I got this from Essence, but I know Elf, when I first started, Elf had one, and that's the one I was always using. And that you know, keep your eyebrows in place. So yeah, get your little eyebrow glue, eyelash glue. I don't use it no more because I do my eyebrows differently, and I do have a eyebrow tutorial, updated eyebrow tutorial, so go check that out. And then if you want to be fancy and do some liner, and you're trying to learn your liner, I definitely recommend Revlon Color Stay, the skinny liner. They also have a fat one, but you know, the fat one can get out of hand real quick. So yeah, Revlon Color Stay, the skinny liquid liner in black. I love this one because it dries matte really quick, and sis does not go nowhere. I do have hooded eyelids, so sometimes, like, I notice with like a lot of liners, like I can do my liner and the next thing you know, I blink and now it done transfer to my lid. Baby, we did not come to look like we in the circus. We did not come to look like we was a pet raccoon. So no, okay. You is not about to put the black all everywhere over my eye. I didn't actually do that. When I set you, I want you in place. And she does that, you know. She stays where you need her to stay. You tell her sit, sis gonna sit. Period. Okay. Now we can get to the face. So for primer, definitely I'm gonna say Baby Skin, Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Primer. This is like, I think it's like silicone or something like that. This got some in it. It got like silicone or something in it, and sis will have your face looking greased to the guys. Not like greasy, but she'll have your face like filled up, like the pores be filled up. Instant pore eraser is what she calls. So, and your face will be feeling smooth. So get into it or get lost. All right, next case, we're going to, yeah, now you on the face. Yeah, you on the face. So if you want to color correct, I don't color correct because I love my skin. and because I don't really need to. But sometimes, like, I used to under my eyes or whatever, but I stopped caring. Baby, them bags just don't want to go. No matter how much sleep you get, them bags be trying to hold you back, and I don't want no parts. But if you do want to color correct, depending on, you know, your undertones, your shade, blase blase blah, I will go with LA Girl Pro Concealer. They do have more than just orange, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna show y'all. So yeah, LA Girl Pro Concealer. Anybody that's into makeup should know about LA Girl Pro Concealer. Cheapest concealer in the world, and sis works. Okay, sis do not come to play. All right, so next we get into this face. So foundation. So I would say definitely the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Baby, I love this foundation. It works as a concealer too, so I love this foundation. This is my go-to drugstore foundation. Sis just, you know, does what I need her to do on my face. She's very much full coverage. So if I'm putting on makeup, I want full coverage. I don't care what you're talking about. Like, if that's the case, I would have worn my real face. You know, if I didn't want to be covered, I would have worn my real face. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Like I said, they say 2-in-1, so you can use it as a concealer. I actually used to use this as a concealer. Like, I clearly got a lighter shade, and baby, I was here for it. Like, it doesn't cake up your face or anything. And then I know when I first started, I used to use the L'Oreal True Match. Yeah, I think I want to try to use this again because it was good back in the day. Who knows? I guess I'll try one day. But yeah, I don't know why I still got this, because this been expired. I ain't used this in years. Yeah. Anyway, so foundation. So now on to concealer. So concealer, Milani ended up coming out with like the actual concealer. So I would recommend the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer. It works just like the foundation, so I'm here for it. Also, who else we got? We got this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I know a lot of people love this concealer, and it kind of reminds me of the NARS concealer. So yeah. And then of course we got LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is definitely, like, even now, I will choose this concealer over anybody. Now there is one concealer that I be using now, but she's not hot. Is she better? I think she better. Costs like $14, but I'm trying to be very inexpensive for you guys. So definitely LA Girl Pro Concealer, because she does what she need to do, and she will not play with you. Like, sis came to do her job. She know her job, and she not trying to do nothing else but her job. So yeah, I'm here for LA Girl Pro Concealer. I was going to say something. Yeah, so what I was going to say was that a lot of these high-end products do have dupes. Like, so they do have, like, so for some high-end products, there is a low-end product that is literally just like it. It's just not it. When it comes to high-end products, sometimes you are kind of just paying for the name. Yes, the ingredients may be a little different, and high-end may be a little healthier, or, you know, a little more, just a better product. But if you don't really necessarily fully completely care, then 9 times out of 10 is the same thing. It's the same thing. It's just kind of like great value versus something else. Now I say that to say, it's certain things that, you know, we can't go to great value for, because that's just not what we doing. And it's kind of like makeup. Like, certain things you don't want to go inexpensive for, but if you need to, great value will be there. Yeah, so like if I'm going to the store to buy bleach, I'm going to get the Clorox brand. I don't care if it was $100, I would still get it. You know, if I go get ketchup, I'm not going to Great Value to get their ketchup. I'm getting, you know, my Heinz ketchup, you know. So yeah, it's kind of tomato. We did concealer, now contour. Milani Conceal Plus Perfect, once again, they have their own contour. And if you're not into like a cream contour, which sometimes I'm not, like I don't really like, I contour, but cream contour, that's not us adding another step onto the 100 other steps I already gotta do. So if I have to, which is 9 times out of 10, I'll just do some powder. I'll do my own little powder contour. And normally I just use a foundation, like a dark foundation, and that's what this is. It's a Maybelline Superstay powder foundation. I just use a darker foundation than my skin and blot out. You got contour. So setting powder, this is literally my favorite. This worked better than anything I've ever used, high end, low end. Sis will always be true to what I need her to be. This is the Black Opal Soft Velvet setting powder. I love her so much, and the fact that, like, if you are a melanated girl, I would definitely recommend getting setting powder that's like closer to your color. I wouldn't do translucent at all. That was definitely a mistake I made, you know, when I first started. And so here's another, let me give y'all a little short story, you feel me? So when I first started makeup, I used to be that person, I just want to buy it because, one, I knew everybody else was using it, so if they using it, it must be good. And two, like the name, like it sound high quality, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, do y'all know Laura Mercier? I used to like be like, I was literally obsessed with like buying high-end stuff just to, you know, say I have it. Like, I wanted to use it, but just to say I had it or whatever. And I bought the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and it was trash. I used it once, and I do not use it. I do not use it. I wasted my money on that translucent powder, and that translucent powder is expensive. I don't want no parts, okay? So that's that. Learn through me, okay? Do as I say, not as I do. So yeah, Black Opal Velvet Satin Powder. You can get her from Walmart. Simple as that. For bronzer, so I use bronzer to sweep away my setting powder and to, you know, get everything together. I like the NYX matte bronzer. Sis does her job. Once again, inexpensive. Highlight, let's get into highlight. Okay, I like the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlight and powder. Sis pops out. If you want a highlighter that's gonna pop out, cause that's what I like, sis gonna pop out. Okay, she's gonna pop out. And then last but definitely not least, oh well, I forgot, this isn't last, I'm sorry. Next we got the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Set and Mist. Get into it, okay? Set your face. Sis works. I like, and also, like I said, she microfine, so I like it when, like, it's not like big clumps of water or big clumps of spray spraying at you. Come on, mist on me. Act like you respect me, okay? Beauty blenders. We know Real Techniques. And then this is a Morphe blender. So yeah, she cute. She was red, so that's why I got her. I don't really like her that much, but this is always my go-to. But if I run out of these, I got her. Okay, now we get into the end. A lip liner, if you like to line your lips. You can literally go to a head store and get some lip liner for like $2. So yeah, go to that store and get a lip liner. I was gonna show y'all this NYX liner. This $2.99, but I normally use brown, so that's what I like to do. But you can go to the hair store and get you a little lip liner. Alright, doesn't even matter. And then of course, lip gloss. All the girls love lip gloss. Everything glossy. Yeah, I put myself in there, I don't care. But yeah, everything glossy. This is high end but inexpensive. You feel me? Yes, okay, so lip gloss, for some nourishing lip gloss that actually, you know, heals your lips, smell good. Everything glossy, I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. But yeah, all these makeup products will help you to complete a full face. Good luck on y'all makeup endeavors, I guess. Like, good luck. Just the main thing is to like keep practicing. Like, of course you ain't gonna get it right off the bat because it's something new, but if you keep practicing, I promise you, Beyonce ain't gonna have nothing on you, homie. She ain't gonna have nothing on you. I don't even think she do her own makeup, but If whoever do her makeup ain't got nothing on you. You feel me? So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. Make sure you guys do keep supporting the culture all 2021. Gang, gang, gang. And I'm out.